Recently, I've been hearing a lot of rumors from both my students and their parents alike about the digital SAT test that is coming in March 2024. The biggest rumor seems to be that the digital SAT test will be more difficult. Here are the facts. The digital SAT will be 1 full hour shorter. It will no longer have long reading passages with 10 questions to answer for each passage. It will have very short passages with only 1 question per short passage. Rather than over 50 reading questions like the current test, the digital test will only have around 10 reading questions total. In fact, there is no separate reading section at all like the current test. It is a mix of reading and writing with about a 50% split between the two. So the reading and writing section on the digital test is shorter and easier than the current test. As for the content, nothing has changed. Let's now talk about the math section. In the current test, there is a 25-minute non-calculator section and a 55-minute calculator allowed section. On the digital SAT, there will be 2 approximately 30-minute sections in which calculator is allowed for both sections. The content of the math sections are the same as it is now, except for the fact that there will no longer be complex numbers on the digital SAT. In addition to the content of the sections, some students are apparently worried that the digital test will be harder because they can't use scratch paper anymore. This is just pure misinformation. On the digital SAT, scratch paper and pencils can still be used. Yes, it's true. So, should you be worried that the digital SAT test will be more difficult than the current test? I hope you see by now that that concern has no merit at all. Facts tell the opposite. There's no doubt in my mind that the digital SAT will actually be easier. If there's still some concern about the digital SAT that I haven't covered in this video, ask me in the comment section. I'm CK, founder of CK Education and creator of the highly effective CK SAT prep system. If you need to raise your SAT score, and nothing else has worked, learn why students wait for months on my waiting list to begin their one-to-one online SAT studies with me. I'd love to help you too. You can learn more at ckeducation.org. Thanks for watching and be sure to watch my other videos on my channel as well.